An e-commerce 3PL should run the warehouse side of the business, not the commercial side. The warehouse should own storage locations, pick pass, packing stations, returns receiving, and carrier handoff. The brand should still own forecasting, promotions, refund policy, merchandising, and customer promises. When the boundary gets blurry, accountability gets messy. Most breakdowns happen in inbound receiving and returns processing, not basic pick and pack. If inbound inventory is counted wrong, Shopify availability is wrong. If return items do not have clear disposition rules, sellable stock and system stock start drifting apart. Bundles create another trade-off. Pre-assembled bundles are easier to pick, but they use storage and require upfront labor. Build-to-order bundles save storage, but slow packing increase error risk. SHIPHYPE has warehouses across the US and Canada for Shopify-driven DTC brands shipping 1,000 plus monthly orders, with disciplined receiving, scan-based packing, and a 2 p.m. cutoff aligned to carrier pickup. If you're deciding whether an e-commerce 3PL is the right move, book a discovery call with our sales team and we'll move through what should stay with your team and what should move to the warehouse.